Driving is a part of our daily lives, and staying safe on the road is essential. Have you ever thought about what could happen if an accident occurred and you needed proof of what really happened? That's where dash cams come in. They've become an indispensable tool for drivers everywhere, offering peace of mind and evidence in case of an incident. In today's video, we'll dive into the top 5 best dash cams of 2025, helping you choose the perfect one for your car. Let's get started. Number 5. V1P4K Dual Channel Dash Cam, best value for 4K. Recording kicking off our list is the V1P4K Dual Channel Dash Cam. This camera offers exceptional value with its dual-channel system, capturing both the front and rear views of your car in stunning 4K resolution. It's perfect for drivers who want high-quality footage without breaking the bank. The 4K resolution ensures crystal-clear details, whether it's license plates or road signs. Plus, the rear camera adds extra security for tailgaters or parking lot incidents. Key features: 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p rear recording. Built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing and viewing on your smartphone. Loop recording and emergency G-sensor to lock critical footage. With its combination of affordability and high-quality performance, the V1P4K is a fantastic choice for any driver. Number 4. VFO A229 Plus Dash Cam, best for dual-channel recording. Next, we have the VFO A229 Plus Dash Cam, a premium dual-channel dash cam with an excellent balance of features. It records in 2K resolution for both the front and rear cameras, giving you sharp footage from every angle. The A229 Plus is ideal for road trips or daily commutes, as its Sony Starvis sensors provide outstanding low-light performance, ensuring clarity even at night. Key features: 2K resolution for both front and rear cameras, advanced parking mode with motion detection, GPS tracking to log your location and speed. With the VFO A229 Plus, you'll always have comprehensive coverage of your journeys. Number 3. Venture N4 Dash Cam, best for full vehicle coverage. In third place is the Venture N4 Dash Cam, a standout choice for drivers who want complete coverage. This dash cam features 3 cameras: front, rear, and interior, making it perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone looking for added security. The interior camera is a game changer, especially for Uber or Lyft drivers, capturing everything happening inside the vehicle. Key features: 1440p front camera, 1080p rear camera, and 1080p interior camera. Infrared night vision for the interior camera. Heat-resistant design for all weather conditions. With the Venture N4, you're protected from every angle, making it an excellent investment for safety-conscious drivers. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 Best Compact Dash Cam. Coming in at number 2 is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3, a compact yet powerful dash cam that blends seamlessly into your car's interior. Don't let its small size fool you. This camera packs a punch. It records in 1080p HD and comes with Garmin's voice control, allowing you to save videos, start recording, or take pictures hands-free. Key features: ultra-compact design for discreet installation, 1080p HD recording with HDR, voice control for hands-free operation. For those who value simplicity and stealth, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is a top pick. Number 1. REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear 4K/2.5K Best Overall Dash Cam. Finally, the crown for the best dash cam of 2025 goes to the REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear 4K/2.5K. This powerhouse offers everything you could want in a dash cam: stunning video quality, reliable performance, and advanced features. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera captures 2.5K, ensuring every detail is clear. Its advanced night vision makes it perfect for low-light driving, and the built-in GPS tracks your speed and location. Key features: 4K front and 2.5K rear recording. Advanced night vision with Sony Star Vice sensor. Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video sharing. Parking mode with motion detection. The REDTIGER Dash Cam is the ultimate choice for drivers who want premium quality and complete reliability. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best dash cams in 2025. Whether you're looking for value, compact size, or cutting-edge features, these dash cams have got you covered. Protect yourself and your vehicle by investing in one of these fantastic options today. Which dash cam caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top 5 Picks for more amazing tech reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.